For a lot of stores, the real inventory numbers don't live in Shopify. They live in a warehouse spreadsheet, a supplier's stock feed, an ERP export. Shopify is just where they're supposed to end up. So every day someone exports a file, imports it, fixes the mismatches, or skips a day, and the store starts overselling. Doing it by hand doesn't scale. Someone has to remember every day, get the columns right, and hope nothing slipped. No schedule, no record of what changed. No warning when something's off. BulkEditly syncs your stock automatically. From a CSV or a Google Sheet on a schedule you set. Auto-detect maps your SKU and quantity columns. A dry run shows you what a sync would change before it runs. And every run is logged with email alerts if something needs attention. Set it once. Shopify stays in sync, and you can pause it anytime. Keep your store in sync automatically. Find BulkEditly on the Shopify App Store, link in the description.